Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. A warm welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super cute miniature slider pop-up box using paper quilling butterfly decoration. So when you pull the drawer, the upper card automatically get popped. Isn't it an attractive and creative idea? And it's super duper easy to make as well. I just love the interactive cards and boxes so much. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking blue color cardstock which measures 17.5 by 17.5 centimeters, and from left side I have creased at 2.5, 5, 12.5 and 15 centimeters. Now rotating the sheet at 90 degree and creased at 2.5, 5, 12.5 and 15 centimeters. Now I am just burnishing all the creases using bone folder. Then we just need to cut 4 corners in this way. Just follow the instructions. In this method, we create more sturdy box than the usual one, and also it looks more finished. So all 4 sides will have double flaps. So very simple method. I am just cutting all the 4 corners. And this is done. Then it's time to construct the box. So first of all, I am just directly sticking the left and right flaps like this. Then adding glue on the corner flaps and also the top and bottom flaps and folding it to construct the box shape. And the beautiful and sturdy box is ready. Then to create lid, I am taking purple cardstock which is 23 by 8 centimeters. From left side I have creased at 5, 7.1, 15.5 and 18.1 centimeters. You can also do one thing, just take the strip, wrap it around your box and you will get the exact folding measurements. And your box also should slide easily and smoothly inside this lid. Now exactly in the center I have created one box here which is 2.7 by 6 centimeters, and I have drawn this box exactly in the center of this square. So we just need to cut this using paper cutter to create the slider mechanism. and this is done. Then I am adding some cardstocks to decorate this. These are pattern paper cardstocks. The center square portion and also the left and right sides. Then we need to cut the window from the center pattern paper as well. So I'm just taking the guideline of the previous cut and cutting it. And this is done. Then I'm taking one blue color cardstock strip which is 10 by 2.5 centimeters. From left side I have creased at 2.5, 5.9 and 9.2 centimeters. And we just need to fold all the part and burnish it nicely. So 2 mountain folds and 1 valley fold like this. It should look like this. Then taking back the lid, and we just need to stick this sliding mechanism through the window so that it will work like a pop-up mechanism. So just rotating the sheet and add little glue and stick the bottom part of the strip with this lid. Align it exactly in the center. On both the sides you will see the 1 mm gap from the window. So it should work flawlessly inside this. Then it's time to close the slider lid. So I'm just adding little glue and closing this. And this is done. Then passing my box through this, and to create the pop-up mechanism we just need to stick this last part of the blue strip with the box from inside. So I'm just taking the box halfway and we just need to connect this portion with the box wall. So just adding little glue and sticking with the wall like this. Hold it for a few seconds and allow it to dry. And yes, it's working perfectly fine, very smoothly. Now to decorate the front I am taking this blue cardstock which is 7 by 6 centimeters, and on top of this I am adding one purple cardstock which is 6.5 by 5.5 centimeters, and just layering both cardstock together. Then taking back my box and adding glue on this half portion. So add just little bit of glue and stick it nicely on top of this. Allow it to dry. And yes, it's perfectly working fine. It's popping up nicely. Then I'll show you how to make the quilling butterfly. I have already created the left side wings. Now we have to create the mirror image, that is the right side wing. So for the upper wing, first I am taking here one strip of dark blue color and 1/4 strip of black color and making one long teardrop shape. Bended teardrop, and then I am taking half strip of purple color and 1/4 strip of black color, and using the same method we need to make total 3 teardrops. So 3 purple teardrops are ready. Now for the next shape I am taking half strip of dark blue color and 1/4 strip of black, making the V shape or heart shape like this. Then taking 1/4 strip of dark blue and 1/4 strip of black color, again making the V shape or curved shape. Then taking 1/4 strip of dark blue and 1/4 strip of black color, making one small teardrop shape. I am taking 1 strip of black color and making one big bended leaf shape. Then also I am taking half strip of black color and making one teardrop shape. So all the shapes are ready for upper wing. Now it's time to construct this. So I'm just following the pattern of the left side wing and sticking all the shapes. Then wrapping it using black color strip, hold it tightly and wrap it nicely around the wing. And the upper wing is ready. Now it's time to make the lower wing. For this I am taking here half strip of white color and 1/4 strip of black color and making one teardrop shape. Similarly I have prepared one more. Also I have prepared total 2 light blue teardrops which are made using half strip of light blue and 1/4 strip of black. One dark blue teardrop which is made using half strip of dark blue and 1/4 strip of black. Then for the next shape I am taking half strip of white and 1/4 strip of black and making one bended petal shape like this. Then I am taking half strip of black color and making one bended leaf shape. And then at the end I am taking half strip of light blue and 1/4 strip of black color and making one simple leaf shape. So all the patterns are ready. Now again I am taking the reference of left side wing and adding all the petals. Wrapping it using black color strip tightly. And the right side lower wing is also ready. So pretty. Then it's time to connect upper and lower wing together like this. Then I'll make the center part of the body. For this I am taking 1 strip of black color, making one long teardrop shape, sticking it exactly between both the wings. Then to create antenna I am taking 2 small black color strip, making the open coil like this. And sticking the antenna with the body. and the super cute butterfly is ready. Then I'm just adding some white color marks using ball tool. Here I'm using white acrylic color. These are beautiful spots on the wings like this, and the butterfly is ready. Then taking back my box and the upper and bottom border, I'm decorating with these half cut pearls. Then to create the knob for drawer, here I am taking 2 strips of white color in 5 mm and making one tight coil. Just sticking this knob with the drawer, and on top of this I am adding one half cut pearl. And also decorating the box with the handmade butterfly. I am sticking the butterfly diagonally like this. Then just adding the sentiment "Be Happy" on the box and filling the box with some chocolates. You can also put any kind of gifts like watches, jewelry or coin, whatever you like. So the beautiful and super easy mini box is ready. You can make it in different colors with different decorations. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.